All right, guys, this is Mike with Pacific Tech. I'm working on this '08 Chevy Silverado extended cab, crew cab, and I want you guys to pay attention to the meat. Everybody will look up front. I don't need brakes. They won't look in the back, and they don't see this. This is out of spec, and take a look at all that scarring and damage right there. So it needs a new rotor. They need a new rotor for this one. I already warned my customer due to that I already touched it. I own it now. It's a safety hazard. The vehicle cannot leave my shop without this being replaced, even if the customer don't want it. I can't in good conscience let this vehicle go out. So that's one of the things why we speak about safety and why once we touch it, we own it. And when we own it, we're responsible for it. Because right now, if he goes out and gets into an accident and DOT and CHP takes a look at the vehicle and see that, I just did brake jobs, but then changed the rotors out. It's my sake. Anyway, it's Mike with Pacific Tech. Again, got any questions, leave a comment down below.